Okay, Min, I need you to talk me off the ledge here. I open Twitter, it's AI. I open YouTube, it's AI. My toaster probably has ChatGPT in it now. I feel like my brain is melting.
It's called future shock, Jay, and you should be feeling it.
It feels like hype though, doesn't it? Like, remember NFTs? Remember when we were all buying digital monkeys? Is this that?
No, that was a big bubble. This is gravity. While you were busy scrolling past deepfakes of Tom Cruise, the entire global economy reset itself. We aren't looking at a tech trend. We are living through the first days of a civilizational revolution.
Hey, civilizational revolution. Okay, calm down. That sounds a little dramatic.
Is it? Think about the discovery of fire. Think about electricity. This is that big. The rules of work, creativity, and money are being rewritten right now.
Okay, but that's the scary part. I like the old rules. I know how to win with the old rules.
And that's why we're doing this podcast. Because the window is still open. Most people are asleep at the wheel. If you wake up now, this is the greatest opportunity in history.
All right, prove it. You said it's not hype. Show me the receipts.
Let's look at the scoreboard for late 2025. NVIDIA is now worth over $4 trillion. It's the most valuable company on Earth.
4 trillion? That's like, what, the GDP of Germany?
No, bigger. And why? Because they sell the shovels for the gold rush.
Okay, but that's just one company. Stocks go up and down.
It's not just them. Microsoft, Google, Meta, they are pouring $80 to $100 billion a year into data centers for AI. You don't spend $100 billion on an experiment, Jay. You spend that kind of money when you are fighting for your survival.
So, they're betting the house.
They're betting the whole planet. Just as we cannot imagine ourselves without a smartphone, we cannot imagine the future without artificial intelligence.
Okay, that actually makes me feel worse. What chance do I have?
You have a great chance, but you have to understand the math.
Oh no, not math. I barely passed algebra.
Don't worry, I'll keep it simple. Humans' learning curve is linear. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Step by step, I got that.
But AI is exponential. Its intelligence and performance doubles. 2, 4, 8, 16. Former Google CEO Eric Schmidt referred this exponential rate of AI advancement that is currently occurring as the vertical wall. By 2025, AI agents have begun outperforming humans in certain, time-sensitive programming tasks and are starting to rewrite their own training code. AI agents are now moving beyond natural language prompts to text to action. For instance, an agent can be tasked to build a website and it will autonomously handle coding, design, and deployment without human intervention.
Wow, that's mad.
And that leads us to the ugly part, the job market.
I knew it. Here comes the doom.
Did you see the news about Klarna? They announced a customer support agent has replaced the work of 700 full-time human employees.
700? That's massive.
And here is the kicker. The AI didn't get tired. It didn't ask for a raise. And it was more accurate than the humans.
That is terrifying. If I'm one of those 700 people, I'm freaking out right now.
Indeed. But it's not just call center agents. IBM freezed hiring for back-office roles, such as human resources, where they expect up to 30% of jobs to be replaced by AI and automation. In the Industrial Revolution, machines replaced muscle. Now AI is replacing competence. Companies do not need young graduates anymore. These youngsters are in the blast zone.
The blast zone. You really know how to cheer a guy up, Min. So, what do? Do we just give up? Move to a farm and grow potatoes?
I kill every plant I touch, so no. We don't panic. We adapt. Have you ever played chess, Jay?
I know how the horse moves. That's about it.
Well, a computer can beat any human at chess. We know that. But a human working with a computer? That team can often beat the computer alone.
So, if you can't beat them, join them.
Exactly. It's called the Centaur Strategy. Half human, half machine.
I prefer cyborg, but okay.
The world is splitting into two groups. The automated are passive users of AI. They use AI to chat, browse, or follow instructions. These will be majority of the end users or consumers of AI. And the masters or the AI natives are those who use AI to build, automate, and scale systems. They use AI to do the work of 10 people.
So, instead of AI taking my job, I use AI to keep my job.
Better, you use AI to take your boss's job. Stop treating ChatGPT like a Google search. Start treating it like your smart partner.
My unpaid super smart partner who doesn't sleep, I like the sound of that.
The train has left the station, Jay. It's moving at 500 miles per hour. You can stand on the tracks, or you can learn to drive.
Alright, I'm getting in the driver's seat. Where do we start?
You start right here. This channel is the flight manual. We're going to break down the tools, the strategies, and the mindset.
So, if you don't want to get replaced by a robot, smash that subscribe button.
Exactly. Welcome to the revolution.